Storm warning for southeastern Newton County and north central Arkansas. Hope, P.O.P. County, central Arkansas. West central Van Buren County and north central Arkansas. Northeastern Yell County, central Arkansas. Until 4:45 p.m. At 3:58 p.m. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 4 miles east of Petit Jean River Wildlife Management Area, or 9 miles south of Dardanelle, and moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Russellville, Dardanelle, Carroll, Below, Smyrna, Pottsville, Petit Jean River Wildlife Management Area, Mosley, Moore, Hector, Gala Creek Wildlife Management, Dover, Dardanelle Mountain Dam, Dappy, Broomfield, Rock Creek Lake, Moreland, Scottsville. This includes Interstate 40 between mile markers 78 and 93. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Wednesday evening for Arkansas. A tornado